Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. These are the Bluetooth headphones from the seller KPDE. These are neckband headphones. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So let me give you a second to check out the box, and then we'll go ahead and open it, take a look at what we get. Now, unfortunately, because it's headphones, I can't really let you hear the sound quality, but at least I can show you all the items we get. Bluetooth version 5.2 headphones. I've used earbuds before. I'm not a fan of earbuds. I like headphones like these that you can basically put around your neck and let them just hang. These are nice. The neckband is a really light plastic, very easy to bend. I've got some other ones that are really hard. They kind of look like a brace around your neck. These are not the case. You can bend them any way you want to. The buds are magnetic. You can see them connecting. 36 hours of playtime on a full charge. You can get 10 hours of playtime on a 10-minute quick charge. Let's see if I can give you a better look at the buds. IPX7 waterproof. Let's take a look at what all we get with them. So they give you a few different bud covers. These earbud covers here you can basically pull off, and then you can put different ones on there. In the event that these get old, there's also different sizes. So maybe this is too big for your ear, you want to put a smaller size in. That's why they send you these other ones as well. Looks like they give you 2 additional sets. Instruction manual or a little pamphlet. And then last but not least, the charging cord. It takes a Type-C USB charging cable. Anyway, not a whole lot to show you. As with any other Bluetooth headphone, you have the ability to accept calls, reject calls, adjust the volume, skip to the next track, and it's not only compatible with cell phones like your Apple and Android devices, you can also use it with Bluetooth capable televisions and computers. Anyway, there's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.